Hello again, my name's John. In this short video today, we'll look at credit notes. I'll show you a few different ways to create credit notes in Xero and apply them against sales invoices. I'll show you how to create and apply a credit note against the full amount of a sales invoice. Then we'll look at creating and applying a credit note against only part of an invoice. These two methods are perfect if you have an unpaid invoice that needs crediting. Then I'll show you how to create a credit note when there isn't an invoice. This is great if you want to give your customers a credit against future sales. And finally, I'll show you how to apply a credit note against multiple sales invoices. So let's get started. Go to the Invoices screen and click the Awaiting Payment tab. Here you see all your sales invoices that haven't been paid yet. Let's say there was a problem with our sale to Marine Systems. We've agreed to credit the full amount of the invoice. Perhaps they've returned the goods were damaged, or some other reason. Open the invoice. The invoice is for $396. Let's credit the full amount. Click the Invoice menu, these three dots, and Create and Apply Credit. And here's our new credit note. It's for the same amount as the invoice. All we need to do is click Approve, and we're done. Here's invoice 27 for $396. Xero has applied a credit note against it, so there's nothing due. In the top left, we can see the invoice has been marked as paid. Let's look at another example. Back on the Awaiting Payment screen, we have an invoice for Bayside Club. They owe us $234. Let's take a look at the invoice. We can see it was for some golf balls and a delivery charge. Now in this example, I only want to give them a credit for part of the invoice. So let's say there was a problem with this order and 10 of these golf balls were damaged. So we're going to give them a partial credit. Again, click those three dots and Create and Apply Credit. Now here's the new credit note, and once again it's for the full amount of the invoice, but we don't want that. We only want a credit note for part of the invoice. We want to credit 10 golf balls, so I'm going to remove the delivery charge line, click the X to remove it, and adjust this quantity. So now we have a credit note for $56. Click Approve. And here's invoice 28, $234, less the credit note for $56, there's $178 outstanding. So notice in the top left, this invoice is still awaiting payment because we're expecting to receive some money for this. Now we'll look at how to create a credit note to a customer when there is no invoice. The credit can be applied against any future sales that we make to that customer. So this is a different workflow because there's no invoice to click into. Instead, click New Credit Note. Select your customer. So here it's to our customer called ABC Furniture. Enter a description. I'll just put something like credit note. And approve. So now we have a credit note for $433. Now you can email that credit note to your customer just as you would do a normal sales invoice. If we take a look at the Awaiting Payment screen, you'll see any credit notes that haven't been applied against sales invoices here on the Awaiting Payment screen. They show as negative amounts. And when we create invoices to ABC Furniture, we can apply that credit against those new invoices. Let's imagine now some time has passed and we've got some invoices to our customer ABC Furniture. Let's apply that credit that we did earlier. Open the credit note and click Credit Note Options and Allocate Credit. So here I want to use all of that credit against the first two invoices. And notice Xero updates automatically the remaining credit, So I'm happy that we've used up all of that credit. Click Allocate Credit. Now you see that the credit note has been fully allocated. Some against invoice 35 and some against invoice 36. Let's head back to the awaiting payment screen. The awaiting payment screen shows only those ABC Furniture invoices that haven't yet been fully paid. And if you look really closely at that second one, the icon shows a credit note. So that means there's an invoice with a partial credit. Click into it to take a look. So here's the invoice. We could email that to our customer. And if you want to see what the online invoice would look like, click Get Link. Copy that link and paste it into a new tab. So here's our online invoice and we can see it's got that credit applied. Please consider giving the video a like if it's been useful. It helps the channel and it means a lot. Thanks for watching.